welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today is a Sunday. I just finished filming a trend send. I am now moving on to my trunk club. It is pouring rain out and it's dreary looking as can be. So hopefully the lighting here is okay. I got my ring light on and I'm right in front of the window, so hopefully the lighting is okay. All right, trunk club. Trunk Club is a styling service by Nordstrom. Pay them a $25 fee. They'll style you a box. The shipping is free both ways. Keep what you want in that box. Whatever you don't want, send back in that same box. Schedule for FedEx for pickup and they'll pick it up, okay? If you have the Nordstrom card, your styling fee is waived. If you have also the Nordstrom debit card, I also understand the styling fee is waived. If you don't, if you keep anything in that box, that $25 is applied to whatever you keep, all right? If you don't keep anything, you would lose out that $25. So because I'm a Nordstrom card holder, they're sending me these boxes to me free. So it's no cost to me. They've improved somewhat on what they were sending me. The styling team was horrific. I do every thumbs up, thumbs down that they actually offer, and they don't offer that lot. And I recently learned on this trunk, if you thumbs up something and they have it, they're gonna send it to you. And the problem for me with that is my thinking. I have to thumbs up to say I like it for me and my body versus just thumbs up I like the dress. So keep that in mind when you're playing that thumbs up, thumbs down game, because they sent me something that I know was just gonna not work for me. And she said, oh, I saw you liked it, so we had one left in your size. And it's like, oh, I'm like, yeah, I like it, but I know it's gonna look awful on me. All right, so give me a minute and I'm gonna show you one by one things that I'm not keeping in my trunk. Okay, the first up, I'm not keeping these boots. These boots are by Treasure and Bond. They're the Kensley water-resistant Chelsea boot for $79.95. Okay, they have this little detail styling here, and they have like a little tab up here, and obviously they slip on your feet, no zipper enclosure, and this is black elastic, and it has a black heel. All right, and there's a couple of reasons I don't like these shoes. All right, I'm not even gonna bother trying them on. I'm gonna keep them nice for the next person. First, you know me, I love my heels, all right? So this is not for me. Second, I do not like the black and white contrast. This is just not my style at all. I would prefer a pair, I am looking for a suede or faux suede lug sole with like a thicker heel and lug sole in ivory. And I did order one myself from Nordstrom a couple weeks ago, and they were just way too small on me, so I had to send them back. I'm still looking for a pair that would fit me. These are not them. This is not faux suede. It doesn't have the lug sole. It doesn't have the ivory heel, and I wanted all one color, not black and white. I do not like this contrast, so these are going back. The next thing that I'm not keeping are these earrings. So let's see if I can find these. These are the Bella Filigree earrings by Stella and Ruby, $48. They're just not me. I do love filigree. I'm just not thrilled with these, all right? So they're just like the, go through your hoop dangle style. And I guess they're kind of looking like a flower because they're filigree. And honestly, I don't like the gold on them either. I feel these are very artificial gold, like too much of a yellow gold. So they're not my style and they're going back, okay? Now, one thing I did ask for my stylist for, and because I opened the package, I'm keeping them. I told her I'm looking for basic bikinis that have no lines in them, and these were, let's see if I can find where these are. The True Body Assorted 3-pack bikini, $36, size 0 small by True & Company, okay? So they're your basic bikini bottoms, all right? They're like the no-show panty lines. They're very soft. They look a little large. I had they're in the package, and as soon as you open them up, they're yours, all right? So I was like, but you can't see how they're gonna look because they're all folded up. You don't know what the size is. I will wear them, obviously. I opened the package and it was very clear, but I'm a little bit disappointed about the sizing of them, okay? But we'll see, I'll give them a shot. $36, not too bad, okay? Give me a minute, I'm gonna resituate the camera so you can then see the outfit I'm wearing. Up is this sweater that I'm wearing. It is the Colorblock rib sweater in pink by Viz Camuto, and this, believe it or not, is an extra small for $69. This is 73% acrylic, 24% polyester, 3% spandex, and I cannot believe that this is an extra small. So if you want to wear this with leggings, you may certainly can, because it is very large and oversized. It is Colorblock in that literally the back part of it is like a grayish oatmealish color. So kind of a cross between gray and beige. And the front part of it is a light pink, all right? I do like this color combination. I kind of think it's a weird kind of color block. I think I would have liked to have seen it done differently. Front and back is kind of weird to me. I think I would have liked the blocking to be intermingled in some way. All right, so the quality of this too is acrylic, the length on it, and it just isn't doing anything for me. So it's going back, okay? Next up, I have these jeans by Topshop. Now, she showed me a pair of jeans in the preview, and I can't remember the reason why I didn't like them, but I said, let me see if I can swap them out for another. So I found these. These are the Rip Drop Baggy wide leg jeans, and I am looking for a pair of wide leg jeans, but I think more like a flare fit, not like this fit. They're by Topshop, and I saw that when I was swapping them out, I saw that they didn't have any stretch to them. They're 100% cotton. So I sized myself up to a size 26, which I think that was the right choice. And these are $80. All right, first thing I do not like about them, I don't mind distressing, but this is more than distressing. This covers my whole leg. So let me pan down so you can see this. And this is something you can't see in the video. I mean, my whole leg is exposed. I'd be freezing in the winter of these. So these are a no, okay? Right then and there, I said no to that. Second place, again, I'm short, and because they're not petite, they literally come up. Like, here's my bra, and here is the pants. They are an enormous high rise. Way too high rise for me. They're way up past my ribs, so yeah to know. I mean, they look like grandma pants, right? They are a good length on me, believe it or not. I'll pan down because the rise is so long. The leg length isn't bad, all right? It actually is a good length for me. So surprising about that, but the rise is just enormous on this, you know? Here, I'll show you the back of them, okay? Again, these are ill-fitting. They just don't do me any justice, so this whole outfit will go back. You know, maybe if you're younger, you can pull this kind of look off, but I think at my age, wearing a pair of loose baggy jeans makes me look like a frumpy old lady. So these are going back, and obviously if you wear something loose and baggy on the bottom, you need a tighter fitting shirt on top. I know that, but this is what they sent me, so this is how I'm trying on the clothes. Okay, give me a minute, the next outfit. Next up, I have this puff sleeve cardigan, and it is by One State, size extra small in gray for $79. It's 73% acrylic, 24% polyester, 3% spandex. I do like this. I'm just thinking I'm going to keep the puff sleeve multicolor cardigan that I just from my Trendsend versus this. So I think I'm going to pass on this one. It is cute, okay? Let me show you the stitching here on the sleeves. You see how it has like almost like a different type of stitching that goes across here? But other than that, it's a vertical stitching, and same with this sleeve too. It has the tortoiseshell buttons. It's a light gray. It's soft. Again, I'm not too thrilled about the acrylic portion. You know, I don't know about polyester sweaters. The other Trendsend sweater's a polyester sweater. I do not know how they wash and wear, to be honest, 100% polyester. But this is mostly acrylic, and I do know acrylic kind of looks crappy after washing. Like it pills up, it stretches out. So I'm going to pass on this because it is fairly similar to the one that I'm getting from Trendsend. But it has the puff sleeves. It is pretty. I do recommend it, but it is $79, and I just feel like I like the other one better, okay? Let me show you the back of it, okay? Underneath this cardigan, I have this pink top on. This top is, let's see, it is the, Chelsea Beige, the short sleeve Crewneck tee by Halogen in extra small pink for $29. This is a cute tee. It is a crew neck. I do prefer scoop or V-necks, but this is a lower crew neck. So this is, again, an option. I do need colored tees. But I'm wearing a new bra on, and I've looked at this in the mirror already, and this is completely see-through. You can see my jeans and everything on this. It is a nice material. Let's see what it's made out of. This one is made out of 51% modal, 49% Pima cotton. All right, so it is a nice material. It's just too thin for me. You know, in the summertime when I wear tops like this, I want them to be thin, but not see-through. All right, so this is going back as well. All right, give me a minute and I'll show you the next outfit. Okay. Next up is the cross neck cold shoulder cotton blend sweater by One State and Brown for $89. Okay, let's see. Cotton blend, it feels like acrylic to me though. It is 57% cotton, 21% polyester, 20% acrylic, 2% spandex. So I guess it does have some cotton in it. This is a little bit too snug for my liking for a sweater. This is definitely a sweater material. And don't get me wrong, I like snug, but this is just a little bit too form-fitting for me. I also don't like the off-the-shoulder style or the cold shoulder. I'm really kind of over this look. I did it like 5 years ago, and I had a ton of tops, and when I lost the weight, I got rid of all those tops and dresses. I just felt they were dated looking, and even though they're starting to make a comeback, I mean, One State is a kind of an on-trend brand. I'm just not ready to go back there. I'm kind of like done with that look right now. I do want something cut out, but I was thinking maybe like a cutout over here, across the bust line, or maybe a slight little cutout here, you know, nothing crazy. And I'm seeming to having a problem with that. A bra-friendly cutout top, so something little cutout, all right? Yeah, this is not for me, and $89, this will be going back. On with it, I have the Free People high waist ankle jeggings in beige, also $78. These are skin tight and they're a jegging. Like I'm also done with this like skinny tight style. Don't get me wrong, I am still going to wear my skinny jeans, right? I am just not really investing in any new ones, especially ones like these that are skin tight. And I do want a pair of beige pants, but I'm thinking more of a straight leg or even like a wide leg or anything other than a skinny, because I have a closet full of skinnies and I'm looking to add to my wardrobe different silhouettes at this point, and I'm very happy the skinny trend is over. I know some of you are horrified by me saying that, but they're just not my favorite style. I like them, don't get me wrong, I love my boots and sweaters and skinnies for certain things, but I really do appreciate other styles and not just have a closet full of skinnies. So I will pan down so you can see the bottom of these, all right? And they're not just tight in the legs, they're tight in, you know, this area. I think I would size up in these if I were to get them, but I'm not getting them. So they have the raw hem on the bottom, okay, 5-pocket styling. They do have stretch to them, but not a ton load of stretch. Okay, like you see, they fit, but they're skin tight, and I'm just not willing to shove my body into a pair of skin tight jeans anymore. I want form fitting, but not skin tight. Okay, so this one is going back. I'll show you the back again. Okay, so you can see the whole back of the sweater. I pushed my bra straps down so you wouldn't interfere with the look of the sweater, so that might look a little lumpy, bumpity right here. But yeah, this is going back as well. So far, the only thing I'm keeping is the underwear. And I have a dress to show you, which I already know in my head is going to look awful on me. So give me a minute. Next up is this absolutely gorgeous, high-quality sweater dress by Treasure and Bond called the V-neck midi sweater dress in beige. I want to say it was 55% cotton, 35% viscose, and the remainder was nylon. This is a beautiful material, nice thick quality, lovely, lovely dress. Can't say a bad thing about this dress. However, it is not for me. As you can see, it looks like a nightgown on me. I am not 5'9", I am 5'2", and this type of dress overwhelms me. Now, when I was looking and doing the thumbs up, thumbs down thing on their app, I apparently saw this and gave it a thumbs up, because yes, I love it, but I didn't realize it was, yes, I want this and this to me. So I have to be more cognizant when I do a thumbs up before I hit that. Yes, I have to say, do I want it for me? Because this is just awful on me. It looks like a nightgown. So it's supposed to be a midi. I'll show you the floor. It's a maxi on me. It goes all the way down to my ankles. Okay. And it's just shapeless on me because I'm just a smaller person. Okay. It has buttons down the front. Beautiful, blends in beautifully with the sweater dress. If you are 5'6" and up, this is going to be a beautiful dress for you. It is really, really a nice dress. It just does not work for me. Okay, here's the back of it. And I think the price, what did I say, $79? It's a steal. This is a steal. I mean, this is really $79 for this. This should be $120. This is a beautiful dress. It just, like I said, unfortunately for me, it does not work. All right. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's stopping you? Give this video a thumbs up as well. Hit that notification bell. Get notified of future videos from me. So I have to be honest with you. I'm going to be doing my trunk and my Stitch Fix every other month now. I just think I'm just getting things that aren't, special to me. I really don't need anything. Out of this box, I kept underwear, and it's not very exciting. I'm really kind of disappointed. They have very limited inventory with the trunk clubs, too. That's another thing that quite bothers me about trunk. I asked specifically, ivory suede lug sole shoes, and I know Nordstrom has like a ton of different versions of them. I've seen them on their site. I just don't want to spend $120 to $150 for multiple pairs to try on at home, only to then have to march back to the store to return them and get them on my card in the meantime. I was hoping to get them in a box for free and try them on, but they had no ivory, suede lug soles. They're just very limited in their inventory and trunk in comparison to the Nordstrom website. So I think I'm gonna ease back a little bit and not get as much as boxes because I tend to send everything back. All right. Well, take care, and until next time.